Hola, buenas tardes. Camino teacher coming to you with Repeat After Me, Spanish for the Camino, episode 4. So if you have not studied episodes 1, 2, and 3, you can find those on my channel. Go on Camino Teacher and like and subscribe if you like these videos, and you can study 1, 2, and 3. And so we're already on 4 today. So that's pretty awesome. All right, let us review. Okay, so we're going to start with the little quiz. So number 1, ¿tiene cama para esta noche? Okay, do you know what this means? Yes, it means, do you have a bed for tonight? All right, number 2, ¿cuánto cuesta? ¿Cuánto cuesta? What does this mean? Okay, how much does it cost? All right, number 3, ¿a qué hora es el desayuno o la cena? ¿A qué hora es el desayuno o la cena? At what time is breakfast or dinner? Okay, number 4, ¿dónde están los baños o los aseos? Where are the bathrooms? So you can say baños or aseos, but mostly in the Galicia and Palencia areas, they're going to be saying aseos. And finally, what does this mean? Necesito una manta, por favor. When it's cold, what do you ask for? A blanket. So I need a blanket, please. All right. If you knew these, very well done. If you don't, go back to episode 3 and study a bit more. Okay, so when you're in a restaurant and you want to ask for the pilgrim's menu, you say, quiero el menú del peregrino. Quiero el menú del peregrino. Usually that includes the entire meal in one price. Like you get a little soup, you get your main dish, you get a dessert, and you get your wine. So this is a menú del peregrino. If you just want the regular menu, you want to ask for the menu, that is la carta. That's a whole different thing. So if you say menu, that refers to the pilgrim's menu of the day. All right, so everybody say it one more time. Quiero el menú del peregrino. Okay, if you don't want any meat, you say sin carne. So sin means without. So if you want it, like, let's say without onions or something, you say sin cebolla. So sin is without. Everybody say it one more time. Sin carne, without meat. Okay, if you're clueless as to what to order, you say, ¿qué recomienda? What do you recommend? ¿Qué recomienda? ¿Qué recomienda? All right, and if you want a bottle of water, you say una botella de agua. Una botella de agua. A bottle of water. Una botella de agua. Very important. You want to stay hydrated. Una botella de agua. Okay, our last expression is está incluido el postre or está incluido el vino. Is the dessert included or is the wine included? Okay, let's practice. Está incluido el postre. Está incluido el vino. Okay, that's the expressions for today. All right, you're doing great. Now let's review today's expressions. Quiero el menú del peregrino. I want the pilgrim's menu. Sin carne, without meat. ¿Qué recomienda? What do you recommend? Una botella de agua, a bottle of water. Está incluido el postre o el vino. Is the dessert or is the wine included? All right, awesome. You are doing great. I hope you are learning a lot from this. Review episodes 1, 2, and 3 and study these for next time. So we have 2 episodes left. When we're done with those, you ought to be ready to do pretty well on your Camino. This is Camino Teacher, and if you like my videos, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.